In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on power saving mode on your Samsung Galaxy A17 and also a couple settings on the power saving mode too as well. So there are two different ways in which you can do that. So now let's move our notification bar. Good. So we drag to the side and you can see power saving. You see the arrow on the screen there. That's the power saving. You can long press and move to your settings straight away. So now let's long press. Good. And you take out to our settings, or we can just do this manually by coming to our settings here. Let's go back. So when you hop on settings, you just scroll through and you see battery. Just tap on battery. Good. When it expands, you scroll to the top and you see power saving. You can turn it off here and turn it on here as well. So now you can touch that to expand it, and that's when the settings come inside. And when you turn on power saving, it limits your CPU speed by 70%. You can turn it on and off. You can turn on dark mode. You can turn off the dark mode too as well. And also your screen timeout will be 30 seconds. You can turn that off, but then you turn on your power saving mode. So I think that's it about the power saving. I've covered everything. Yeah, it's going to help you make your battery last for longer. So that's it for the video. I've showed you guys two different ways in which you can do that, through the notification side and also through the normal way, the settings. So if you are new here, you give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.